Good morning. So, today we are moving on to the second line of the morning song. So, if you don't remember, the first line starts like this. So, that should have been done in Juno Pod number 1, entitled The Morning Song. Now we're going to move on to the second line, which is right here. You were tasked to label the notes right there, and after you're done labeling the notes, you will notice that there is this note at the end that I have circled. That is a C, but it is a half note, and it is called a dotted half note. Now, the function of the dot in music is to add half the value to the original note. So, if we add half the dot, if the dot adds half the value of the original note, if we have a half note, half of a half note is 1 beat. So if we add the dot, that will now be 3 beats. If we have a quarter note and we add a dot, calling it a dotted quarter note, it would be worth 1.5 beats. If we have a whole note and we add a dot, you would have a dotted whole note, which would then be 6 beats. But for today, we're only looking at the dotted half note. So the dotted half note is worth 3 beats. So that C, you would count 1, 2, 3, and then stop playing. Once again, 1, 2, 3. So the second line goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. And that is the second line.